Hello guys, so this is sketch number 4 for the morning. I am really happy with this one specifically. So yeah, I'll just get to it. So it's good speed, geometric and observational methods were utilised, as well as my mind's eye, so I can start to see where things should be placed. So yeah, I'm really happy at the fact that number 2 is close to the original reference photo. I am getting a lot quicker from utilising these learning methods and drawing style. So please let me know what you think if you are actually utilising these methods. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's good speed along with geometric, observational, Loomis. All these methods have allowed me to create sketches very quickly and in proportion, and basically get a really good layout for, say, future pieces of artwork like a painting, more in-depth drawings or charcoals, anything like that. So you want a good layout for the end piece or future piece that you'd be working on, I should say. I'm really happy at the fact that my sketches are progressing very quickly now. It's like a switch has been flipped, and hopefully you can see it in previous videos, even 3 months ago or even a month ago. You can see a difference in them. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you're a new subscriber, hello and thank you so much for subscribing. If you're an old subscriber, I really do appreciate you guys, and please let me know if you're a fellow artist, and I shall see you next time. Bye.